Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video, and in today's video we're going to be diving back into JASMY chart, and it looks like what I said in the last video that we are going to be breaking down, and we are currently breaking to the downside. How far are we going to go down? How high are we going to go up? Well, if you stick around to this video till the end, you find out exactly what's going to happen with JASMY. So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to Total Crypto. Right, so as we can see that we are currently still making a move down to the downside, and hopefully we should be able to clear all this invalidation to get in between the two yellow lines over here, which is our support, and once we do so we should be expecting a nice movement back to the upside. Now, if that was to play out, then we'll be looking at approximately between there to there at 113% before the chart will make a decision in terms of how we're going to react at this resistance line there, before we either go maybe a little bit further down to break up to the upside, or maybe we might smash through the resistance and continue on making our way up. Well, for that we're going to have to wait and see what's going to happen over the next couple of weeks, as I am viewing the chart on the weekly charts. So let's hope this candle here does become like a proper bearish candle in order for us to make our way back down to the support area, and that would be a pretty decent entry for a long position from there to there. Or otherwise, what we can do, if we zoom into the chart, we can still make a trade from here, for instance, and our target should be anywhere there. Then you should try to think of exiting the trade from here in order for you to go for a brand new long from there to go up to that region there. Now, what sort of percentage are we looking at if we were to trade down from here? You're looking at approximately 32-33%, and that's a pretty decent trade to have. Now, if you're going to enter here, then you will need to obviously go into a smaller time frame to look for a perfect entry position. So currently we're on the weekly. If you go onto the daily, yeah, so right about now would be a good point to actually trade. Or what you can do, you can in fact wait until we retrace back into this zone over here. Reason why, because you can see the green candle on which we broke into the downside from. Now that could be a perfect entry, or a very good entry, for us to continue to go even further down into this zone over here. Now that would be my trade setup if I was to trade going down. Actually, I might just do that. Yeah, straight after the show. Okay, so I'm gonna will look to short from here to go back down, but we are seeing a very consistent 3 red candle. This one here is engulfing, so I might just enter somewhere here actually, with the expectation of going down there. But I'm gonna take my first profit taken from the first support line right here, and then I'll be looking to exit straight away and get into a brand new long from this area, and I'm gonna try to hold it until we staircase our way back up to the zone up here, and hopefully smash through this resistance, turning it into support. Now let's get back onto the weekly chart. Yes, so that'll be my trade setup actually. So I'll be looking for, as we speak, I will be looking for a trade here to get back down into over here, and then I'll be looking for a long position from here with the expectation of us coming back up to this top there. Now just bear in mind, it might take a couple of days or even a couple of weeks for this to happen, and for this to happen as well. So we all have to be more reactive rather than predicting. I've laid all my lines of my area of interest of where I'm looking to make that trade. Alright guys, so that is my trade setup for the bearish, short-term bearish and short-term long. Otherwise, if the whole market decides to crash completely, and as we can see on our support lines that we tested, in fact we tested there, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully we should be able to bounce back up from here, but usually once you've been testing the areas like so many times, it usually does mean that you will more than likely to head your way back down. If that was to happen or to play out, then we could be looking at pretty much an all-time low or even lower low for JASMY, and that would spill pretty bad news. But then again, as traders, we don't care, because we could trade either going up or down. It's all about having your setup and then follow through your trades. Now this isn't a financial advice. This is something that I'm doing myself, and I wish I'd like to share with you all your 3, 2, 1. I'd like to share with all of you. And hopefully, if you'd like to find out more about trading, I will do a 3, 2, 1. So this is just my general setup, and I'm going to continue always pumping these sort of videos so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. My win rate, I would say, is about between 60 to almost 78% of the time. I do trade quite a large volume in general, so you can't always win all your trades, but I am now becoming a lot more successful in my trades. I think the reason why for that is because my risk management now has become so much more better, and hopefully you will see just from my trading setup and by going back to my previous video, so that way you can see how consistent I am. I do love the crypto space, and hopefully you all would love it too, and also love sharing the same win rate. And I'm just blabbling. 3, 2, 1. So like I said, this is just my general setup. So I'll be looking to hopefully go long from here, but currently we are going down, and that will take a little while to play out. So that's why it still might be worth going for a short right here in order for us to make our way back down there, and hopefully we don't smash any further downwards. Otherwise it could be a lot longer for us to make our way back up to this recent high there, and then eventually a higher high. So hopefully guys, you find this useful and informative. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel here, and then if you'd like to see my next video, you can click on right here. Until then, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.